Start another vlog. We out here. We about to go retrieve Aaron's car. Gonna take it from Twinkies. He just got it first. But you seen it already? I haven't seen it yet. Seen the pictures from that person?
But not in person. But everything is fixed. You know what I'm saying?
All the body work. Twinkie did roof, fenders, front and back, right? Yeah. So he did a lot of good body work. So we're gonna pick that up, and then we're gonna go take the car over to Hexa.
Yep.
And Santa Rosa, and then we are going to drop that off there so they can get the motor put in and everything will be good to go. I recharged the AC in this bitch and it's actually kind of icy right now. I ain't gonna lie, because I knew it was gonna be hot today, and we try to do everything as early as possible, but we're getting on the road. It's about 10 something, so we're just gonna flash up. If I can get in front of this goddamn RV, yep. All right, we're gonna flash up. We're gonna jump over to Twinkies. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
Like I was saying, bro, like I was sitting in the car, I was letting, I was talking to, to the camera and everything, and I was letting everybody know, like, I know my emotions and everything don't really be showing like that, you know what I'm saying? So they don't really see the excitement that's in me, but it's been years, man. It's been years since I was in the pen. I got lists, and I think I still got them at home of different Mustang looks and everything. I'm looking at different parts. Oh man, this is what I want to do. And I'm talking to Mike all the time, and I'm like, bro, what you out there doing? Then I finally come home, man, and then
shit cracking.
Man. It was a struggle when I first came home. I ain't gonna lie, man, it was a struggle. But man,
I mean, but after sitting down for about a decade, you gotta adjust. You know what I'm saying? You just was through some trauma and shit. You was through the worst of humanity, and then you come back into the real world, nigga. I know you. What iPhone they had before you went in?
That was a struggle. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers like, oh, you don't know how to work a phone and shit. Like, hey, bro.
Be like, I don't.
Man, if I ain't experienced being locked up and then coming home back to this, man, we can't talk, man.
Yeah, it's a real different thing. A lot of people don't really understand that kind of trauma, and this is why it's good that you picking up a camera, because see, these are the kind of things that you can explain later on down the line or whatever. When it's your time, you feel that you want to explain those kind of things, because then you can get a first-hand account as to what happened, and plus you're doing good. You got niggas around you, got niggas beside you that's keeping you moving forward in positive directions. But these are the things that people need to understand. This is why I'm glad that people are excited to jump on your channel, because you can give them that account and then show them the 180 from what was to what is. And now you out here actually having a blast, you working, you know what I'm saying? That paperwork gone, right? It's almost gone. So you know what I'm saying?
No more parole, baby.
Know what I'm saying? Nigga out here living, cuz. Need to see, you got a good one, because your demographic because niggas in the pen got phones now. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. So niggas gonna be in that motherfucker on YouTube like, hey, look.
I was on YouTube there. That's how I seen some of the shit y'all was doing.
Half the time, when you sitting down, you probably be like, I don't know what fucking day it is, nigga. Oh, mail. Okay, I know mail come on.
I did when I first went down was learn how to stop looking at the calendar. Stop worrying about the day, and don't look at the clock. I bullshit you not. I never used to ask nobody, hey man, what time is it? You know what I'm saying?
Damn, I can't even, that's funny, I can't even think about it.
I had to learn that because it was so hard when I first went down. It was so hard. Because everything you was doing, everything you was doing, bruh, is gone. You know
wow, nigga.
So now you like, when do I go to court? Oh, where my calendar at? Strike. You strike it down the calendar just to know when you're going to court.
Damn, that's a wild, because I'm so like time driven and appointment driven, and I look at the clock at all the fucking time. I can't even imagine not knowing, not even caring, honestly. Like, fuck what day it is.
Because I ain't going nowhere. Where you going? So why ask about the time?
That's crazy. That is real shit,
where
though.
You going?
Where you going?
Unless you going to court, bro. Unless you going to court.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Wow, that's a wild concept. You don't think about something like that.
Yeah, I did, bro. After a while, when I learned, it was hard to even stop doing that. It was hard to stop looking at the time and shit.
Damn. So yeah, I mean,
that's
how motherfuckers get lost in it and shit.
Like watching TV all that shit, I don't do that no more. When I did watch TV, it was at night.
Yeah, but you was on you was under lockdown when they had BET Uncut. You was on that motherfucker looking at tip drill.
Yeah.
Woo! Mission success. Hot than a bitch out here, blood. But Stang is loaded up, strapped down. We are here. Twinkie's about to roll out to Hexa. Hexa's got some action for us. We're gonna drop that thing off. Looking real good. They took the window out. They fixed a dent in the roof. There was a big ass dent, but fenders are all reshaped, front and back. It's gonna look real good. Really clean example of a Mustang by the time it's done. All right, inbound to the next location, Hexa Garage, from Sacramento to Santa Rosa. And Stang is on the back. We are on the move. AC is doing work. So glad that I decided to charge that shit.
I'm so happy you charged. Hey, because when we first got out the car, we was actually feeling real smooth.
It was alright.
You know what I'm saying? It was alright, like he said. It was alright.
It was alright. But standing under that sun for a second.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't. And then, yeah, after that, I think the car will be ready to roll. We'll be able to drive from there to Paradox, and we can all mob up to Paradox and get that thing wrapped up, cleaned up. We're gonna have a clean thing.
And interior's on its way. New molding is on its way.
Oh yeah.
New headlights is on its way.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
new decision on rims is on its way.
Oh yeah. We'll check you guys back at the next location. Oof. Man, we had. It's warm. It's like, it's not too bad. It's not too bad over here. It's kind of pleasant actually, but it's still warm. It's about 97. This is a warm ass weekend, boy. We need to be on a bike somewhere, right? Woo, everything is everything. Good. Shit's delivered. Aaron's car is dropped off right there. That license plate say 2J, and I'm hoping that is an accurate assumption as to what's going on under that hood. I mean, it's looking like it's gonna function with the good ass TESLs on that jump. For those that know, Lauren Shipman's personal car. It's auto, but don't get it twisted. The shit gets busy. I think this is the same car. Yep, the auto, yeah. And that's clean, so that's doing maximum work. This the Woo? Yeah, this is the Woo. Boy. Oh, look, there's actually a complete GT4 over here. Man, he's really rallied out. He got the OG OZ wheels. Oh, this is a real boy. Oh, shit. God, one of my most favorite chassis on earth. Damn, he got the joints too. This one's ready to go out and do some actual stage rallies. Oh, this is hot. All right, so we're done with this, and my last 2 days have completely been bull as far as me getting stuff done for stuff that I want to do. I really want to try to get to the house and, I mean, at least bring the car out and clean it, the RX-8 with the RX-7. If I could do that, I'm a happy camper. If not, we just gonna jump on the bikes. We ain't gonna know what that actually does turn out to be until this next clip. So I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you. Are you one?
Okay. All right. Celebrated little baby girl's birthday. But I got a few things that now that I'm looking at the car in the light, I want to correct and change. Like we just wrapped over all of the hardware. I'm going to cut all that out so that it's all exposed and add the rest of the hardware, because now we can permanently install it because it's now wrapped and done and completed. So I've got to do that to the rear and the front fenders. I also have to get back up. There's a aluminum tray I have under there, and I've got to put the yellow lens cover on the headlights and clean up all the bug juice and shit from the ride home. Other than that, that's really all that I can do. Maybe apply the side splitter joints. So got a few things that I want to do to get done with this car real quick. We'll probably close it out because there's not too much that was going on with that vlog. And I feel like I'm gonna go live. I want to go live because I said I wanted to go live the other day. I didn't go live on YouTube. I went live on Instagram on the drive home yesterday with this car. So I'm gonna go live on YouTube right now. And if you are subscribed and you did happen to see it, hey, how you guys doing? Thank you for joining again for this vlog. But I'll see some of you guys on the YouTube live. So I'm gonna cut out, and that's gonna be it for this vlog. So on this experience that you guys have gained, I've gained, we've gained, helping out friends, keep that same kind of element out in the world, because Lord knows the world needs it right now. All right, so be kind to everybody, and I'll see you on the next vlog.